In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Revolut Business Account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to prepare, and how to avoid common upload issues so your verification goes through smoothly. Start by opening the Revolut Business app on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct business workspace. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and complete any security prompts, such as two-factor authentication. A stable internet connection helps prevent failed uploads during this process. From the home screen, head to your account area by opening the Settings or Profile section. This is typically found via your profile avatar or a gear icon. Here, look for the option labeled Verify Business or Continue Verification. This kicks off the required compliance checks so you can access the full suite of business features, including higher limits and additional payment capabilities. When prompted, choose an original business document to upload. Pick the clearest and most relevant document you have on hand, such as your certificate of incorporation, a business registration document, or another official record that shows your company's legal details. Make sure it's the original document or a high-quality scan, not a photocopy of a photocopy. Avoid cropping out edges and ensure the entire page is visible. Tap, Continue to move forward. The app will guide you into the identity capture stage. Begin capturing your ID by selecting the type of identification requested, like a passport or driver's license. Use a flat contrasting background and good indirect lighting. Hold your phone steady, keep all corners of the document in frame, and avoid glare on holograms. If the app offers an auto capture feature, wait for it to confirm the image before proceeding. When the images look sharp and readable, tap Submit Photo. If the preview appears blurry, retake the shot now to save time later. Next, you'll be asked to take a selfie so the system can match your face to your ID. Remove hats and glasses, face the camera straight on, and keep your expression neutral. Follow any on-screen prompts to center your face. Finally, tap Upload Photo to send your selfie. Keep the app open until the upload finishes. Once everything is submitted, you'll see a confirmation screen. Reviews can take a little time, and you'll be notified in the app or by email when the verification is complete. If anything is rejected, revisit the same settings or profile area to re-upload clearer images.